Are you or a loved one suffering from depression? Then you need to know about an amazing new breakthrough treatment. SmartFocus TMS is a drug-free option that is safe and FDA cleared. It uses magnetic pulses to stimulate areas of the brain involved in mood control and depression. It can be highly effective, especially in cases where medication does not work.
Suffering with biological depression my entire life has been a huge burden. And when I have relief after the sessions end, for me, I can just relive my life again as everyone else would without having to be burdened every day.
If you have depression and you're under treatment and you're not well, please consider getting a second opinion consultation and be open about getting TMS, because it is life-changing, and don't accept anything but improvement or full recovery.
Smart, focused, drug-free.